Rihanna's fashion influence is undeniable, especially with her recent return to PUMA as creative director. The FENTY x PUMA Avanti, inspired by classic soccer styles, features a premium nubuck upper in Team Royal, vintage details, and a fold-over tongue adorned with gold branding. Set to launch on January 16, 2025, this unisex shoe combines retro aesthetics with modern flair. Retailing at $120, it showcases a gum rubber outsole and unique stitching, blending sport and style seamlessly. Anticipate more exciting releases as this partnership evolves. FENTY x PUMA Avanti LS. Color: Team Royal/Creamy Vanilla. Release date: January 16, 2025. Price: $120. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to get updated with the latest videos. Thank you.